Hi, I'm Devin. Welcome to TRA Snow and Sun. We are solving problems related to rooftop avalanches through our snow retention system. Today we are going to talk about how to install our products, so let's get right to it.
Hello, Ben Anderson here with TRA Snow and Sun. Today we're going to be installing a D-apex bracket on some asphalt shingles. Tools you'll be needing: a hammer with some roofing nails, a chalk line, and a tape measure. Let's get started. We've already installed our chalk line with our design spot. Nose of the bracket at the bottom of the shingle. That concludes the install of a D-apex bracket on asphalt shingles. If you have any questions, please consult TRA's engineered layout. Thank you.
You just learned how to install one of our many snow retention systems. We offer engineered snow retention layouts and quotes. For questions regarding your project, contact us at 800-606-8980 or sales@trasnowandsun.com, and we'll take care of the rest. Thanks for joining us.